Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I will show how to make this wonderful cake topper for St. Patrick's Day. On my channel you can also find a playlist about this holiday and step-by-step crafting tutorials. I also recommend checking them out. I will be grateful for your likes and comments. Thank you for supporting my channel. Our first step is to create a design. I make the topper in Cricut Design Space program, and now I will repeat it again with you. This slide shows which object from Cricut library I used in my project. If you enter an image number in search field, you will find it in the library. Be sure to include the hashtag when you type. And here our main character. Change the size of our unicorn. I will keep my original design in front of my eyes, but I will move it to the corner. Now let's start with the base of the topper. To do this, I go to the shapes and select a circle, and repeat the same with flower circle. Honestly, I don't know how to call it figure properly. Then I change color and size. Now we proceed to the next layer and send the white layer to the front. Try to choose right size. Then duplicate circle. And now I will show how to make ring. Change color for convenience. Then we choose size of our ring. Align our shapes to the center. After that we select our two circles and click slice. And here's what we got. Now I duplicate our ring, then click contour and fill space in the center. In gray color I mark the layer of acetate film. And after that we remove unnecessary brown part. We are done with the base and now we need to work on our unicorn. I want to do the eyes separately. For this I will use the slice function. I add square, select two objects and click slice. Be sure that you click one layer, not all group of layers. It's important because slice function works only with two layers. After slicing, we remove all unnecessary parts. Now let's get to the top of our unicorn. I use the offset function for this. My recommendation: I make object bigger, and only after that I use offset function. If you can see, we got empty gaps. We can fix it if click contour. Now we can change color to the white. Our next step is connect our base and unicorn top. I don't like the top of our base sticking out, so I will cut it off a little bit. I will use slice function again. Now we remove all unnecessary parts. Move our eyes to the right place. Now let's start making a ribbon. Now we change size and color. The same way we use offset function. Now we will create our name. Here I decided to use American typewriter font. Also create offset layers for letters. First I use ungroup tools, then click offset. Now I have to make a horseshoe. I enter the number into the Cricut library. I removed here leaf and back layer. And we repeat the same way with offset. Now we are close to the end of the project. I want to use multiple layers and make them different colors. So I'm duplicating our details. I remove small parts and leave only those that I need. I duplicate again our image. I will cut these leaves on Cricut and this will be my confetti. We duplicate leaves as many times as we need. And we change colors to represent different materials when we will cut it. Our design is ready, and here we can see our color layers. Then check how our project will be located on the cutting mats. Now time for second step. We assemble our cake topper. I always start assembling with small parts. To create volume between layers, I use foam tape. Here's what it looks like up close. This is what our assembled letters look like. I decided to make the upper part of our ribbon with embossing. I use my scissors for this. Look at this texture. Now I assemble layers of ribbon. Now let's start making a shaker part. I take foam tape, you can use different widths. We cut the strips of the desired size and glue in our circle. It's important that there are no gaps between tape. Filling our topper with confetti and glitter. And that's what we have. Now let's get to our base. Here I also use foam tape. Using a glue gun, I attach plastic stick to the topper. We continue to connect our layers. Now it's the turn of the eyes. And now we can see our result. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.